Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this. How beautiful is this end cap here? Oh my word. So this beautiful piece here, it is $30. This beautiful piece is $20. Ooh, so nice. And then this beautiful vase is clear at the top and gold at the bottom is $20. This little piece here is $17. This candle holder, it is $20. And this one is $25. This is a candle holder here, and it has the glass candle on the inside, or the holder. This beautiful gold leaf tray. Ooh, pretty, right? I think I seen this one last time. It's $20. Amazing prices, right? Oh, and the horse. Another cutie pie. Love, love. Alrighty. So this cute little decor piece here is $15. Then they have the larger one down here is $20. Yes. Oh, yes. This cute side table is $70. The drawer opens right there. Really cute. I like the leg design. Yeah, all wood. And then this one is a nesting side table for $100. There should be another one somewhere. And then this little piece here is $130. This is a side table as well. I love the color of that wood. Really, really nice. This 76-inch natural industrial TV stand is $400, guys. Beautiful piece. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, this piece right next to it is the wood metal 3-drawer chest for $100. Okay. And this piece here, it is the white wood 9-drawer cabinet for $200. Deep drawers too. Woo! I love that. Okay. Nice. This beautiful open bookcase here, guys. OMG. It is so beautiful. All wood, and it is $600. It is huge. Oh my goodness. Isn't it beautiful? Wow. Oh my goodness. Love it. Beautiful wall art here at Big Lots, guys. So affordable. I'm telling you, this is the place to be if you want wall art. It is absolutely amazing, and the prices are just unbeatable. So this piece we're looking at right now, guys, it is $18. This beautiful piece right here, it is $25. The family picture is $30. This piece is $25. This piece is only $10, guys. Oh my goodness. Isn't that a steal? This is a hand embellished canvas for $15. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. This piece is $15. Love, love, love. There are 3 different mirrors, guys. Well, they're the same mirrors, but they are different colors: gold, light brown, and dark brown. And these mirrors are $100. These mirrors are a size 18.2 by 62. Okay. These little ottomans, they're $50. And of course, you can store items inside. Love that. Beautiful lamps, they are $60. Yes. This metal floor lamp is $80. Nice. 64-inch smoke gray mango wood cabinet. This one is $450. Okay. Metal handles. Okay, pretty sturdy. Yes. This piece is just so cute. It is $500 and it is called the Classic Home Assorted Accent Chair for $500. It is so unique. I've never seen one like this before. Yeah, so it has the big ottoman piece, the back pillow, and the lumbar pillow. Yeah, really neat, right? $500. This beautiful glass and wood cabinet, it is $200. 2 front glass doors and 2 wooden doors at the bottom. Isn't it pretty? Wall cabinet, it is 24 inches. It is $40. This one is the mahogany. And this one is the cashmere oak veneer 2-door wall shelf for $40. The rustic taupe wall cabinet for $40. All of these cabinets, guys, they are $40. This Brohill area rug is the Alena 8x10 for $350. This blue medallion area rug is $300. 7.10 by 10.6, $130. It is the Mayfair medallion area rug for $130. Okay guys, so these area rugs over here, they are gonna range from like $29 up to $49. That's a cute wooden table right there, guys. It is $130. These ginger jars are by Hand and Earth, and they are absolutely beautiful. Oh yes. Let's see if I can pick this one up. Okay, this one is $20. I can't pick the other ones up, guys, because the top is not secure and I'm sure it'll crash, so we don't want that to happen. But yes, these are beautiful. Oh yes. This small easel, it is $30. It is the tray console table for $250 compared to $556 on this one, guys. This 46-inch wood metal console table is $150. Hey, this is a nice piece right here. Let's see if the price is on it. This is the Austin console brandy brown for $150. Oh my goodness, this is a huge piece for $150. Oh my goodness. Compared to $600. What a steal. Ah, love, love, love. This dark wood end table with metal legs, it is $100. I like the design on this one. Bowl fillers, these are $10. Alrighty guys, these beautiful gold flamingos, so beautiful. The tallest one is $30 and the shorter one is $25. How cute are these? Made in India. Oh yes. Cute, cute. This beautiful tree with a white pot, it is $30. It has the berries on it. Isn't that cute? This faux plant in the ceramic pot, it is $65. $20 for the horse head. Gorgeous. This is by Hand and Earth right here for $25. These beautiful vases here, they're $35. Really pretty, really heavy too. Well, all right, friends, that is it here at Big Lots. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so much for your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.